Department of Material Science at Tallinn Technical University. Department is quite big one. We, as you can see, that about 50 persons are the department. It's one of the biggest departments at the university. And what is the most important? It's a research-orientated department. It's the number of scientists is a lot bigger than number of professors. And as you can see, we have been European Union Center of Excellence, and just now we are the only department or unit in Estonia that belongs to 2 centers of excellence. Different groups are belonging to different centers of excellence. So our research is directed to electric materials for PV, and the materials we are studying is complicated multinary compounds, just fundamental studies and the development activities. And here is what is unique. It's really, we are the only laboratory and the only group in the world that are directed our research to the powder materials. As you know, in PV, it's ordinary wafer silicon technologies and thin film technologies. But they are quite expensive, and the cheapest way to make materials is as powders. And we have developed special kind of powders, monograin powders, and device on their base. And we are just having our research to use these powders for PV. Additionally, we have here in the laboratory thin film technologies, different chemical technologies. As most of the laboratory staff has their background in chemistry. It means that. And third, the research direction in our laboratory is how to make organic conductive polymers, how to make contacts, and all is connected with the PV. And our idea is that just not to use very expensive contacts for cadmium telluride solar cells. We can use its polypyrrole as a contact there, and to use very cheap technologies for the formation. And there are volt-ampere characteristics of both structures. This was collaboration with U.S. National Agency of Renewables, U.S. And just you can see the parameters are nearly the same, but the technology is about 10 times cheaper. And one of our direction is that we have auto testing center PV modules. It's something what we are doing for the Estonia. Just there is quite big interest to use PV in Estonia, and several companies are having these activities just to sell solar cells, and very often customers are interested what is efficiency, what kind of profit they can get, and how profitable is use solar cells in Estonia, in the Nordic country. And just we have research in this field. And as we are university, we have international joint master program, materials and processes. And what is the most important with this curricula, that we have had already students from 13 different countries, and if you are looking our post-doctoral students at our laboratory, just now 8 doctoral students are from abroad. It means that they are working in our lab. And as you know, there is a lack of young people that like to be in science and in real science. And just it has quite a big help for our research to have these foreign students at our laboratory. And one more slide, how we are financed. We are financed by government. It's first and second row. Two different projects financed by government. And after that, we are a member of different national programs in Estonia, material science, in energetics, in environmental technology. And after that, we have several industrial contracts with the Crystalsol company. That is a spin-off company of our university, and this company has the idea to implement the technology what was produced by us, and I will show you later downstairs. And a skeleton company that maybe you will visit tomorrow in Tartu. The company working with supercapacitors, and that we are trying to have maybe some kind of unit to produce and storage energy for PV. And it's all. Thank you.